Hello, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Oluchi, and I use my the small space in my home, to plant different vegetables and herb, mainly vegetables and yam, pepper, and some other things. So you're very welcome to my channel. Whatever I do here is organically. I use just organic manure to nourish my plants. So today I'll be showing you how I use aloe vera for manure, for plant manure, how I prepare it and how I use it on my plants. So you are welcome once again to my channel. So I start by harvesting the aloe vera. This one too is in my garden, so it's more like taking what is in the garden to nourish them also. So I harvest the aloe vera. Just one is enough for what I have at the moment, the plants I have. So after this, I let the yellow liquid drain out completely, cut out just the edge a little. That's all I have to do. I don't remove the thorns at the side. No, everything I use. So here I diced and I just little chunks like that, just little. I diced them. After the dicing, I fill this bucket with water. The bucket is about the plastic is about 3 liter. It's a 3 liter container, so I fill it with water and let it rest for 5 days. This is on the 5th day. That's fully fermented. It's ready to be used. So from here, I distribute to the plants. Okay, if you have watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. Please do like. Please recommend me to your friends. Thank you.